Hi everyone, if you're new, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to show you a recipe that I got the inspiration from Laura Vitale. Her name is Laura Vitale, but her channel is Laura in the Kitchen. And I will put all the information in the description below. So if you want to check her out, you can click the link. It will take you straight to her channel. I changed a few things about the recipe and I make it a little bit my own, but I got the inspiration from her channel and that recipe that she has, because as soon as I saw it, I fell in love and I needed to show you guys that recipe. So if you want to know how you can create this fast, easy, you know when you have the kids and the boyfriend, the husband, or any partner that you have, but the stomach is like a dragon, that the food is not ready, but you need to give them something to entertain the stomach, this is the recipe that I'm going to show you. So if you want to learn how you can do it, please just keep watching. Oh, I forgot. Before we go to the recipe, what do you guys think about my hairstyle? Like, my aunt did an amazing job. She did this haircut. You see this end? I'm obsessed with it. So I will put her information in the description below if you want to check her out. She does an amazing work and I'm obsessed with the new hairstyle. It gives me so much volume and I don't know, I look so healthy. So now let's go and start with the recipe. If you want to know how you can create this, let's just keep watching. First, we're gonna start with these tortillas. You can buy any tortilla that you want, but I like the recipe to be very healthy. So I bought the spinach one. You can buy any that you want. You will also need some cooking spray. I bought the one that is vegetable oil. It's hello from Walmart. It's like you can use oil, but I'm using this spray because it doesn't have that much oil and fat, and I don't know, it makes it faster. You can use anything that you want. You will also need some pepper and salt. I'm using pink salt because they say it's more healthy. Use that for today because they said that the pink salt is very healthy, more than the regular salt. And I mix them together and I'm going to show you how you can use it, but you will need some pepper and salt, or you can use any salt that you want. You will also need a cutting board and knife. You can use any knife. I'm going to use this one because it cuts really good. And you're going to need a container to place the chips or the tortilla in it. I'm going to use this round one that is a pizza one, but you can use any container. I'm gonna show you and you're gonna see that you can use any container. I'm gonna use this one for now. Now let's put everything together. The first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the tortilla. You're gonna get your tortilla and your spray, and you're gonna spray the front part and the back part, and you're gonna do the same thing in all the tortilla, and I'm gonna put it here for the meantime. Once you have all the tortillas with the spray in the front part and in the back part, now we're gonna cut them in any way that you would like the chips to look like. We're gonna do a vertical line, an horizontal line, and a diagonal line from each side. So we can make like a pizza slide or like a chip slide, just like that. And we're gonna do it with our knife. Once you have all your tortillas cut perfectly and the size that you want, now we're gonna start putting them in the pizza container. How are you gonna do that? You're gonna put them like this, next to each other, just like that. And you're gonna keep doing that when you have in all the area of the pan. and I will show you how it looks like before we put it in the oven. Once you have your chips like this, we still have a few here to go, but that's gonna be like a second round. Once you have it like this, you're gonna get your salt and pepper, and you're gonna put some in the top, just a little bit, just for the chip to have a little bit of salty. Once you have the chips all prepared and everything how I show you, now we have to put them in the oven. To put them in the oven, you have to have the oven preheated in 350 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put our chips for a total of 10 minutes. But we're gonna put the chip this way for 5 minutes, and then after the 5 minutes are over, we're gonna turn the container or the pan, and we're gonna leave it for 5 more minutes for the other side so they can cook evenly, but it's a total of 10 minutes. I'm gonna put them in the oven now, and I will show you how they look like after they're done. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like the recipe, and all this is for me. You can eat this with guacamole or pico de gallo or hummus, anything. Like, it will taste amazing. Even you can do like, you know, mayo with ketchup dip, and you can eat it with that, or you can eat it all by itself, because these chips are amazing, and you can eat them like a regular chip, or even with your food. I need to try this, okay? Look at the crispiness. Can you hear that? Like, no words can describe how good this tastes. Like, you need to do this, okay? If you do, please, I need to see your recreation, because this is a wonderful recipe. Okay. Like, just amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, if you wanted more toast like this, you can leave it the 5 minutes completely. If you don't want it that toast and you want it more like this, you can leave it for 4 minutes, and it will not be that crispy. But I like it like this, like super, 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 super crispy. So if you do like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, so you can get more recipes. And also don't forget to click on the bell so you can get a notification every single time that I upload a new video. Well guys, like, I'm gonna leave you now because I need to eat all this.